this video, I will show you how to find your Kraken wallet address. So first of all, open your Kraken app, and from here you're going to click on Deposit from the Home tab. And in here you're going to select the asset that you want to deposit. And I want to say that depending on the asset you're selecting, your wallet address will be created. So let's say that you want to deposit Bitcoin on your account, then you click on Bitcoin, and in here you need to select the network. And it's really important that you select the same network in here as you are selecting anywhere else. So for example, on another wallet. So I'm just going with the Bitcoin network, click on I understand. And right now, as you can see, my wallet address is created specifically for Bitcoin. So for every different crypto or asset that you want to deposit, you will create a new unique wallet address. And it's really important that you copy this wallet address into your other wallet using the same network as I already told you, and then you will be able to transfer cryptos. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.